Where's that?
But this is a window wall, okay? So you can have as many panels as you want, as big or small as you want.
But don't you call that a door?
So we're gonna open our door. Let's say we're barbecuing, we wanna get in and out. We open it up, it locks in place, pull the bug screen across. Okay, all right. Open up the next one. Okay, you have a bigger opening now. Again, pull your screen across. All right.
So how can you kind of like give us some ideas?
Hi, I'm Dennis from Action Home Services, and we do outdoor exterior renovation. We help our clients to upgrade their backyards and solve their problems. So we're here to help. We're here to make their backyards enjoyable and to make them happy.
Welcome to IDS, the Interior Design Show. I'm Nicole, and this is Atlas Trove, our crystal company. We're here showcasing our crystals and shells and jewelry, and we have everything from iron pyrite, amethyst, fluorite, and beyond.
Hey, I'm Emily from Sherwin-Williams. We're serving up some fresh inspiration at the show. Hope you come and see us at booth 2034.
Hey, my name's Steve Cameron from Figure One Publishing. We're a art, design, photography, architecture, indigenous art and culture, and food and drink publisher. We love exhibiting here at IDS. We like to work with a lot of the creatives. And yeah, we have our new book, Toronto Interiors, and that'll be a show on Saturday. And we're really looking forward to it.
We are Century Industries, a custom decorative manufacturer based out of Montreal, Canada. We have been around for about 80 plus years, servicing the hospitality, multifamily, restaurant, commercial and residential industries. We produce everything to spec. Whatever you need, we can build for you.
We're Howard Market. I'm Allison, and we specialize in wholesaling vintage and antique pottery and accessories from all over the world. Our collections are from Turkey, Europe, and northern and southern China. We also have our reclaimed wood furniture, which is all handcrafted in small batches in a supplier up in northern Asia from elm or pine wood. We really love our vintage pottery. It shows kind of a layer into history, each piece always unique and different. All old utilitarian pots that have now found new life in Canada for decor reasons, utilitarian reasons, or just style. And we just love sharing our pieces with the world, showing people imperfect pots and kind of reusing and recycling these old pieces that were once used for kind of mundane tasks are now repurposed into something beautiful.
5mm thick veneered panels or machine panels from 5mm lumber.
Where would I see this? Hotels?
Hotels, kitchen cabinetry, commercial applications. I put it in houses for wall applications. We put it in people like Artcraft Kitchens. Makes a
Would you recommend this for a contractor looking to make luxury? And why?
100%.
Why?
Because you can put it anywhere, the bathroom, the living room, entertainment room. You can put it in the common areas of a restaurant, hotel, condominiums, endless applications.
So what's your name?
Bill Scheel.
And you work for?
Deco Concrete.
Why are you here at the show?
To show the world our materials.
Hi, I'm Kelly from Abacus Furniture, and today we're going to talk about solid wood furniture. We're here at IDS showing how we make solid wood furniture here in Toronto. We have our Charleston sofa showing how the button tufting works, as well as sinuous coils in the back and on the seats. Solid hardwood construction with birch and maple, with a pocket coil cushion covered in Italian leather.
Hi, I'm Vanessa and I'm from the painting company. We are a full service painting company here at the IDS Show 2026. If you come and check out our booth, you could win an iPad.
I'm Rob Fowler from Fusion Flooring. We're here at IDS Toronto 2026. We're here to exhibit our latest technologies to the designer architect community. We find great value in this and meeting new people every year and discussing some of the latest technologies available.
Hello, mister. My name is Franco La Giorgia. I'm the co-owner of FlexiFloor by Advantech. We make flooring 100% rubber. It's waterproof. It's guaranteed 25 years. It's a high-end product, okay? We have a floor that you don't need glue and another type of floor that you need the glue. We do 5 millimeter, we do 2 millimeter, and we even do the flooring for the gym, for the hospital, and what you need. If you need a pink floor, I'm gonna make your pink floor with your logo on the floor.